So, hello, we're going home this time. So, food break, drive, and let's go. So, we only have to stop in the gas station to gas the car. I gas yesterday full tank, and it's really reducing quickly this time. I noticed. Maybe because I drive a lot. So, okay. So, we're going to gas here in the Petron. And the good thing today, I was inquiring for gate and roofing, and finally the owner is there and they agree, and they will send me the calculation later. And then also, if I say yes for the price, next week Monday they go there for final measurement, and also by Tuesday I can pay for the amount that they're asking, or I can also pay partial and pay later if they are done. So we're going home.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And of course, in this driving, I still have some pending videos, but I will just yes, then I'm gonna tell you what I do today. So I was just in the house, and so I like to drive also. I feel kind of just bored a little bit in the house, and I want to just be in the road.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.